Hey guys, it's Ashley from Editor Reviews, and today I'm unboxing Taste of Tea. This is a brand new loose leaf tea subscription. It's $12 a month. They bring you, I think, 28 cups of tea, which is awesome. So they have a Kickstarter, and so their Kickstarter campaign is ending in a few days. You should check them out. I'm going to try to have this up as ASAP. I love this little box. Usually the tea boxes are like little packages. It's actually a box, and I think I love it. All right, so we open it up, and right on top we have Taste of Tea. We are at Taste of Tea believe that every cup of tea is a mixture of a distinctive taste, personality, and place. Each month you receive 4 different types of the world's best loose leaf blended and handpicked flavorful teas. So they go right to the farmer. There's no like middleman. We solidified a partnership that will be brought out in the various teas that are delivered to your front door. We sample teas from hundreds of diverse tea makers in our search for the best ones. We since discovered the finest teas out there are created in small batches using natural ingredients. Inside you will find 4 loose leaf teas with their very own tasting notes and steeping instructions, as well as a stainless steel tea ball infuser. We hope you enjoy your very first box, and we cannot wait to hear your feedback. On the back here, it's gonna tell us what we're getting, but we're not gonna peek because we're not peekers. Okie dokie. So first we have from PrepWorks, Progressive PrepWorks, a tea ball. I actually don't have one like this with the little string. I just have one with like that clampy thing. So this is actually really nice when you just kind of want to sit it in there and carry your tea around with you. So that's nice. All right, then we have, okay, so first we have each pack. How much is in here? It doesn't say. It doesn't matter. So anyway, this is Provence Rooibos. So this has low caffeine because it is a Rooibos. So it has Rooibos, rosehip, elderberry, blueberry pieces, lavender, rose petals, and natural flavors. So there's that, and you can see the tea on the back here. I like that. I always like when you can actually see the tea because that helps me if I'm looking for like herbal. I can tell you can look and tell the difference. All right. Next, we've got Orchard Berry. This is an urban fruit. This has no caffeine. And then look at the back. Oh, I love. So this is a bold, bright berry flavor with soothing strawberry and blackberry highlights. Has apple pieces, hibiscus petals, rosehip, papaya, blackberry, and strawberry and raspberry pieces, and natural flavors. So there's that. One of my favorite. Okay, so I love rose tea. You guys know that's like my #1, but I love florals in general. So here is jasmine with flowers. This is a green tea. It does have low caffeine, which is interesting. Look at the back, how pretty. So this is green tea and jasmine flowers. That's it. Oh, yeah. It's going to be beautiful. All right. Finally, we have Serenity Herbal. So it also has no caffeine. This is made with Rooibos. Look at how pretty this one is. This has rose petals in. Peppermint, spearmint leaves, rosehip pieces, ginger, rose, sunflower, calendula, and osmanthus petals. Ooh! So those are my 4 teas. I love the variation, right? Isn't that cool that you're getting such a wide variety? I also want to say really quickly that a lot of teas have added flavors. Like you'll get like marshmallow or like s'mores flavored, and some people like that. I myself personally love this when it's flavored with like natural things, like things from the earth. Like you've got petals and, just peppermint and spirit. Like, I think that's really cool. I love to look at them. It's like looking at spices. I just love it. I just think it's so amazing and beautiful. So that's everything that's in my Taste of Tea box. This is their very first box. If you're interested, I will link to their Kickstarter. I'll also link to my full blog review where we'll go in depth. As always, thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you next time.